Alright, right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to start adding CSS styles into Dreamweaver. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new HTML page and I'm going to save it somewhere. So for instance, I'll just save it on the desktop. I'll call this new page.html. You can see that I'm saving it on my desktop. Save. Alright, now that I've saved my page, you can see that I can start, adding text to it. Hello, this is my first web page, etc. You can see I just typed some text in here. Alright, but let's say I want to add a background image. I'm going to show you how to create an in-page CSS style. Alright, so I'm going to click text. You can see I'm just in the Dreamweaver menu. I just have it zoomed in here. Text, CSS styles, new. You can see a little message pops up. Okay, so you have some choices here. I can select class, can apply to any tag. However, if I wanted to add a background image, it has to apply to the body tag. So I'm going to select tag, and I'm going to look through, and I'm going to see that Dreamweaver, oh, body tag, perfect. To do this, you don't need to know any coding. You just need to understand a little bit about CSS to create these styles. All right, so I'm going to do this on the body tag. I'm going to select this document only. That means I'm not creating a style sheet. I'm actually just creating a style inside this web page. So if I want this background image I'm going to add here to be on other web pages, I need to do this again for that page. If I just use an actual style sheet, I wouldn't need to do that. I'm going to select OK, and you'll notice that a box pops up. This box lets me control everything. So right now I can do anything to the body of my page. I can change the size of fonts, change their colors, or anything like that. But what I'm going to do is just add a background image. I can add a background color if I would like to. I am just going to add an image. Let's see, let's find an image on my computer. I'll just pick anything. There's got to be something here. Adobe stock photos, that looks good. Let's see, here we go. Perfect. I click choose, and now I can choose if I want this to repeat, if I want it to just be there one time, if I want it to repeat X, or if I want it to repeat Y, so I can have it repeating horizontal or vertical if I choose to. I can also pick a position by pixel where I want this to be. And you know what, for right now, I'm just going to choose the image. I'm going to have no repeat, and that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to select apply, and OK. We look at my Dreamweaver page. Obviously, my picture is huge, but you can now see that it is the background. So if I were to change the text here, you can see that I'm writing over this background image. And that's a style in Dreamweaver. That's all I had to do to add it. If I want to see my styles, I can go on the right-hand side of Dreamweaver. Depending on what version of Dreamweaver you're using, CS3, this is CS3, CS4, or CS5, it's all basically the same. I click on body and I can see exactly what I've done on this left-hand side here. Background image URL, no repeat. I can even add properties. I can also edit it. Let's say I want to edit it. I can add in more things. I can change the image. Very simple to do. Very simple to add an image background using Dreamweaver or add any style. All right, thank you.